Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I received this package from my friend. I think she's so excited with me. Yeah, I'm really happy about that. So let's open. She said, I got your favorite Persian snacks and a gift. So let's open it. Another one. Oh my god. These are my favorites. Oh my god. You know what they are? Mazmat. We call it mazmat. It's peanut, but it's salty. It's peanut with salt and vinegar, which is my favorite one. I really miss the taste. Sunflower, another vinegar, and peanut. Oh, yeah, she's here. And this is salted tree seed. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it. And oh my god, sour candy. It's really sour. Do I have another one? No, just three. Okay, put them here. Alright. Look at this. This is soap. I used to have them when I was in primary school. And you know, snap. Oh my god. This soap. But you know, they're not working. When you want to use it, it sticks to your hands like a sticker, and you have to use another soap to just rinse it out. But the smell is amazing. Come. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. They are chocolate. Oh my god. When I was just 4 years old, or maybe older, I used to eat them every single day. I can't wait. I want to eat them right now. Let me open it. You have to open it like this. And then do this. Oh my god. I can die right here. It's been around 5 years since I left my country, Iran. That's why I got so happy with this stuff, because I really miss them. You know, and I don't care if it's going to ruin my lipstick. I'm gonna eat this. There is another package here. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry right now. Look at this. I didn't expect that. Oh my god. I got goosebumps everywhere. That was so deep. This means a lot to me. I don't know I don't know what else to say. I'm just really happy with that. And this is another thing, and this is the last one actually. Look at this. Oh la la. It doesn't have back. That's so beautiful. Look how amazing it is. Wow. It was really amazing. I'm really happy with them. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. I hope you really enjoy it. See you next time.